So welcome students. Today we are welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to see the Fermi direct distribution. What is Fermi direct distribution? So Fermi direct distribution is applicable for indistinguishable particles which obeys Pauli's exclusion principle. So Pauli's exclusion principle, that is all the electrons in the two electrons not having all the four quantum numbers same, which we call Pauli's exclusion principle. So Fermi direct distribution is applicable for the indistinguishable particles which obey Pauli's exclusion principle, and such particles are known as fermions. So इंजीनियरिंग में इस पर एक क्वेश्चन आता है इन इंजीनियरिंग फिजिक्स which is about prove that, एंड उसमें हमें बताना पड़ता है कि फर्मी लेवल ऑफ इंट्रिंसिक सेमीकंडक्टर, जो कि फर्मी लेवल जो होती है इंट्रिंसिक सेमीकंडक्टर में, वो वैलेंस बैंड और कंडक्शन बैंड के बीच में कैसे आती है. सो उसे हम समझाएंगे with help of diagram. So first we take question. Show that the Fermi level in intrinsic semiconductor lies exactly in middle gap between valence band and conduction band. 5 मार्क्स के लिए ये क्वेश्चन हर इंजीनियरिंग एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है इन सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स. सो इसका आंसर हम अभी प्रूव करने जा रहे हैं. तो फर्स्ट टेक अ लुक एट द डायग्राम. ये है कंडक्शन बैंड, this is valence band. Nc and Nv. Nc is the number of fermions in conduction band. Nv is the number of fermions in valence band. Ec and Ev. So in fermions in conduction band having energy which is known as Ec, energy of fermions in conduction band, and Ev is the energy of fermions in valence band. And this is the forbidden gap. So let's start deriving it. So as we know, total number of fermions is the sum of number of fermions in conduction band plus number of fermions in valence band. So Nc, what is Nc? So Nc is the energy probability of fermion energy of fermion which has the probability. So NC is the, let's look at first PC or PE. PE is the probability of finding fermion in a band of energy E. So PE is the probability of finding fermion in band of energy E. So we can write PE as 1 upon 1 plus e to the power E minus EF upon kT, where E is the energy, E is the total energy, EF is the energy of fermion, and K is the Boltzmann constant. So N is equal to Nc plus Nv is our first equation. So we can write Nc as N into P of Ec, that is probability of finding fermion in conduction band. So Nc को ऐसे लिखा जा सकता है N upon 1 plus e to the power Ec minus Ef upon kT. As we know, Pe is 1 plus e to the power E minus Ef upon kT, तो Nc को लिखा जा सकता है N upon 1 plus e to the power Ec minus Ef upon kT. Second equation. Similarly, we can write Nv as N upon 1 plus e to the power Ev minus Ef upon kT. So as we know, N is equal to Nc plus Nv. Put equation 2 and 3 in 1. So N is equal to N upon 1 plus e to the power Ec minus Ef upon kT plus N upon 1 plus e to the power Ev minus Ef upon kT. That is the equation 4. Here all physics ends and mathematics starts. So this is the probability or the energy of fermion in conduction band, and this is the energy of fermion in valence band. Probability of finding the fermion. So NN get cancelled. 1 is equal to 1 upon 1 plus e to the power Ec minus Ef upon kT plus 1 upon 1 plus e to the power Ev minus Ef upon kT. So take it in left side. 1 plus e to the power Ec minus Ef. First multiply, cross multiply it, and then take this part as left side. So Ec minus Ef upon kT, 1 plus e to the power Ev minus Ef upon kT, and as we cross multiplied it, it becomes 1 plus e to the power Ev minus Ef upon kT plus 1 plus e to the power Ec minus Ef upon kT. Multiply the both brackets, so we get e to the power 1 plus e to the power Ef minus Ev minus Ef upon kT plus e to the power Ec minus Ef upon kT plus e to the power Ec minus Ef upon kT into e to the power Ev minus Ef upon kT. So here 2 plus e to the power Ev minus Ef upon kT plus e to the power Ec minus Ef upon kT. So these two terms will get cancelled. Put this one, put the one right side. So here we get e to the power ec minus ef upon kt plus into e to the power ev minus ef upon kt, and here 2 minus 1, that is 1. So here we can write 1 as e to the power 0 and this term as it is. So all these terms are in exponential, so we can write, so exponential term get cancelled, so this will become e to the power 0. It is simply mathematics. ec minus ef upon kt, ev minus ef upon kt is equal to, this exponential become, this e get cancelled, this becomes 0, ec plus ev, and this ef becomes minus of 2 times ef upon kt, so this kt becomes 0 as it goes right side, and ec plus ev is equal to 2f, and ec plus ev is equal to 2 ef. So this proves that the Fermi level in intrinsic semiconductor lies between exactly at middle, that is, it is the half of sum of energy in conduction band plus energy in valence band. So this question is for 5 marks in engineering semester exams, so look for this question, and if you are facing any difficulty, let me know in comment box. Thank you.